In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a side mirror on a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located on the outside of the front doors. Let's get started. We're going to remove our trim cover using a trim tool. Get behind and pop those two clips out and remove it. Remove the foam from the compartment. Reach up and grab your connector. We're going to lift up on this tab right here and pull our connector back and remove it. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 nuts for the mirror. You can remove all of the nuts and the mirror should stay in place by itself. Grab the mirror and give it a pull and remove it from the door. Remove the plugs from all of the studs. And remove that top cap. Install the wire harness through the door. And get your mirror installed. Give it a push. And it'll set that clip in there. Grab your connector and get it installed. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Get all the nuts started. Snug the nuts down. Tuck your connector back up into place. Reinstall your foam piece. Install the trim piece into place, give it a push, set those 2 clips, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.